ST-205 is a non-refrigerated stackable shaking incubator with two optional shaking modes: orbital shaking and linear shaking. SUS-304 stainless steel chamber, flask clamps, door interior and hinges. Aluminum alloy pull-out sliding shaking platform with lock. Big size window with 2-layer certified tempered glass for safety. Heavy duty door handle. 7-inch color LCD with touchscreen. Silent rubber casters for movement. Adjustable legs to keep level on floor. Rubber door seal. 2 fluorescent lamps for chamber illumination. 2 UV lamps for chamber sterilization. Maximum 3 units stacking design. Temperature calibration port. Wi-Fi port, USB export port, LAN interface, RS-485 port. Soft start to avoid liquid splash. Automatic stop when the door is opened during running. Automatic run when the door is closed again.